Hello my beautiful people, now good morning and welcome back to my channel. Abeg, if na today be your first time wey dey come across this YouTube channel, no forget to subscribe, no forget to like, no forget to share this video. If you share and you are free to share it with your family, with your friends. And to my old subscribers, una do well, una always dey stop by, dey watch my video. I say may God Almighty bless all of una and not take am for granted. Una really do well. May God Almighty bless all of una, because if una no dey watch these videos, I no go get the morale to come dey upload other videos. So I say may God bless all of una. So my people, I don calm down one again, come share with una, because now waiting I dey take and the thing really dey work for me. So I say I no go keep am to myself, because now no say I promise una say I go dey carry more things to come dey share with una. So and I don still talk about if you want lose belly fat, things wey you need to take. So this one na one of the things when I dey take and e work for me. So I say I no go keep am to myself alone, I go still come share am with una. And na wetin you go still take, even if no be to lose belly fat, na wetin you suppose to dey take for body every day, because no be only carbohydrate food na person go just dey eat. Person need to dey take all these things to take dey balance your system. So I say I no go keep am to myself, I must come carry am come share with una. So if you know say you dey watch this video now, you never watch my previous videos, abeg, I use this medium to beg you, go back, go down, go watch my previous video, and I believe you get one or two things where you go fit learn from inside. So my people, mona just sit back, relax, and mona watch how I take make this one they call am smoothie. So mona just sit back, mona relax, mona watch how I take make this my smoothie. So first of all, I'll go first introduce things when I use for this smoothies for now, before I'll come I'll come show now how I take do one. So mona just sit back, mona relax, mona watch this video. So my people, wetin I use for this smoothie, I get my watermelon, I get my carrot, I also get some apple, I get that fruit that they call peach, I also get melon. The fruit that they call am melon, but not be watermelon and not be melon wey they cook egusi soup. So I get am for there. I still get my banana, and I still get my milk, and I also get my blender. So I just see how I want to do this smoothie. So first of all, I don't see my watermelon, I don't see my apple, see my milk, and I also get some grapes. This one might be the grapes, this one are grapes, this one might be the peach fruits, that one are melon. So first I go first put my watermelon. Then I'll come add my apple. I don't slice and I don't wash. Make sure say you wash your fruit up, because I don't already wash them. So I add everything inside this blender. I can add my milk. I use soya milk. So I'll start with the blender now. I dey blend my fruit now. So you get it now. I want show now small view of my city. And I will see her now.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside
Sure, I don't see her now. So I don't blend the first batch. So now the second batch now I want blend so because now two cup now I blend, one for me and my husband and one for my children. So now I don't see the small view of the city. When I know what I'll see carry on along because instead I tell her that they say I go I live in a very nice place. So now when I no worry, I go show now around my city, but that will not be for this video, and another video. So this one is the second batch now they blend so. After I don't blend and finish now, I'll come pour and put for cup. I don't blend and finish. So my husband now won't help me put them for inside fridge now. If he put them for fridge for like if you no one drink and that day, if you put them for fridge till the next day you drink them. But I believe na only a day now if you store this smoothie for fridge. So now if this one, I also now like the video. When I not forget to subscribe, when I not forget to like and share, and I will see you now for my next video. I'll do well.